me again, Mrs. Sansom, and my wonderful assistant,
Kayla!
with our wonderful dog, Aurora. Today, we're going to be doing another fun activity that you and your family can do at home. Today, we are going to use a mysterious mover, and we're going to blow up some balloons. So if you're ready, let's get started. For this project, you will need vinegar, baking soda, an empty bottle, some measuring spoons, balloons, and a funnel. We will be using about 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 3 teaspoons of vinegar. So, if you're ready, let's see how our experiment works. Okay, everyone. So, just a correction, we have 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. So, we have the vinegar in our balloon and the baking soda in our bottle. So let's see what our reaction is.
It looks like milk. It looks like bubbly.
Starting to blow.
Yeah.
Look.
It's starting to blow up and it's starting to look like milk.
So just to recap of what we did today, we used baking soda and vinegar to create a gas which caused our balloon to fill with air. So thanks again for watching us today. I hope you had fun doing this experiment at home. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.